Get very long hair, get thick hair, strong hair, smooth hair in just 4 ingredients. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today, I will share with you a new video and remedies, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 egg, 4 teaspoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Note the time to apply this recipe on your hair and scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.